Hi, my name is Jing, and I'm a biotech analyst at Gabelli Funds. In light of the COVID-19 pandemic and recent resurgence, Gabelli Funds and Columbia Business School co-hosted our second annual healthcare symposium on November 13th. The symposium addressed COVID-19 vaccine and therapeutic development and the pandemic's implications for the healthcare system, especially virtual healthcare utilization. There were over 500 attendees, including investors, doctors, and industry professionals from pharmaceutical companies. I was honored to moderate the first panel that focused on COVID vaccines and therapeutics. The panelists included senior executives of Pfizer, Moderna, and Regeneron Pharmaceuticals. Early this week, Pfizer announced that their vaccine achieved 95% efficacy in phase 3 of 44,000 people. Moderna also reported 95% efficacy from interim analysis in their phase 3 of 30,000 people. The companies are confident in the safety profile and will continue to track adverse events in their phase 3 for 2 years. Both vaccines require 2 shots, 3 to 4 weeks apart. Pfizer and Moderna expect to provide 20 to 50 million doses in 2020 and 1 billion in 2021. Moderna expects its vaccine to be stable at normal refrigeration for 30 days and long-term storage at minus 20 Celsius for up to 6 months. Pfizer's vaccine requires minus 80 Celsius and can be stored on dry ice for 15 days. Regeneron's antibody cocktail reduced the need for medical visits in mild to moderate patients in phase 3. The panelists believe that vaccines and therapeutics will be synergistic instead of being competitors. The need for Regeneron's antibody is immediate and necessary as tens of thousands of people are hospitalized and many could become severe. Regeneron has received emergency use authorization and expects to manufacture 300,000 doses by January 2021. Pfizer has submitted for emergency use authorization, and Moderna is preparing to submit to the FDA. The panelists emphasized that they're not cutting corners or rushing the process. The immediate access to and collaboration with the government agencies allow them to move quickly. They haven't seen mutations of the virus in clinical trials. Hopefully, it will be easier to modify therapeutics and vaccines towards the new mutations if that occur. The panelists believe it will be a combined effort of providers, CDC, manufacturers, and others across the whole ecosystem to achieve high level of vaccination rate and eventually herd immunity. It won't be a one-and-done vaccine campaign, as people may need to be redosed depending on durability of the vaccines.
Investors should carefully consider the investment objectives, risk, charges, and expenses of the fund before investing. The prospectus, which contains more complete information about this and other matters, should be read carefully before investing. To obtain a prospectus, please call 1-800-GABELLI or visit www.gabelli.com.